Since 1990, SpaceGuard Products has delivered safety solutions of unrivaled strength and durability. The increasing trend towards industrial automation is allowing SpaceGuard to further expand our solution offerings. You've seen Ford Logan woven wire protect automated assembly lines and PIC modules, and you've experienced the versatility of BeastWire mesh guarding when extended heights or complex gates are required. Enter RageWire, robotic and automated guarding for tomorrow, SpaceGuard's new expanded entry into barrier guarding for automated work cells. Designed for manufacturing facilities, distribution, and other fulfillment centers, or wherever else you need to keep your employees safely separated from robotic and other automated equipment. Like most of our customers, you've added automation to increase production, reduce cycle and manufacturing lead times, create a safer workplace, and become more competitive. You can't afford downtime from employee accidents and damages to your equipment. And that's where we come in. RageWire is focused on speed and simplicity, offering the fastest installation on the market. Setting the foundation with our strong universal posts, this line includes everything you need for a robust guarding solution at an economical price point. Unlike competitive brands, the simple design of our multifunctional bracket limits the amount of hardware required to get the job done. It keeps installation and access to machines quick and easy, while still meeting all industry standards. And don't worry, there are still more options. Our SpaceGuard brands come highly engineered. You can build up for height, ensure protection from impact, and build in close proximity to your machines. For ease of installation, we offer the only pre-hung hinge door on the market. With our unique designs, they're simple enough to be installed and reconfigured in the field as your layout needs change. Our one-piece adjustable corner posts allows for odd angles so that you're not taking up valuable floor space when it's unnecessary. Don't allow your guarding to slow down your maintenance or repairs. With our newest line, access to automation is safe and simple with protection from Fortress Interlock systems. Our dedicated team of engineers have worked hard to provide products that meet industry standards, and their continued innovations allow us to stay ahead of the latest trends. As your business grows, SpaceGuard can grow with you. We have 3 options to choose from, each unique in their design. Manufactured and shipped from Central Indiana, you can expect our product to be at your door in 1 to 2 weeks. Planning for expansion? Our quick ship program enables additional parts to be at your door just as fast. The options, ease of installation, and availability make your decision easy. Like all our customers, you can trust SpaceGuard to help you secure, guard, and protect your organization. Partner with us today for a safer tomorrow.